Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the blue part in my rainbow series and I'm looking crazy, like some kind of like strange space alien, you know, all sorts of things are going on. But I've used some like crazy glitter, a blue lipstick which I've been saving for this tutorial. So I really hope you enjoy this video and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Benefit That Gal Brightening Face Primer, and this is sort of a pink tone primer. I think it's quite good if you've got any sort of like bluish tones to any parts of your skin because it really does brighten them up. Where the pink sort of counteracts any like blue or any dullness in your skin. And my skin's looking a little bit tired today, so I'm gonna go and use the brightening primer to try and wake myself up a bit. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 100. And I like to give this a little bit of a shape before I use it, just to sort of mix it up, because usually with things that come in like a little squeeze tube like this, it's best to give them a little bit of a mix. And I'm just going to be applying that with my Rodial The Foundation brush. Okay, and then I'm going to be taking my Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair 1, which is the lightest colour. I'm just going to put this under my eyes and on my eyelids. Sorry, the exposure on the camera's got a bit funny. Oh, there we go, it's a bit better. Sometimes when I put concealer on, it sort of like takes a second to adjust because I use such a fair concealer. Okay, and I'm just quickly going to powder my face with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Powder, and this is in the shade Warm Vanilla. I'm not going to be baking today because I'm not going to be doing too much in the way of eyeshadow. It's going to be more about like eyeliner and sort of like focus on the lips as well, because obviously some of the looks in my rainbow series are very centered around like the eyeshadow, and I wanted to do something that was a bit different. Okay, and then onto the eyes, I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette. I'm going to take the shade Princess, which is sort of a cool tone purple colour, and I'm just going to sweep this on the lid, and this will probably be like the only shadow that we use, because I want to keep it quite simple on the actual eye, on the actual like eyelid area, and then focus more on liner. So I'm just going to sweep that over and just sort of gently tap it out to blend. I'll probably put a nice highlighter colour on later on, but this would just be a nice little like pop of colour. This is really nice. It's just sort of like a single shadow if you just want to do something really simple. Okay, now I'm going to get in with my Lancome Plume Liner. I'm going to do quite a big wing, and I'm going to keep it too high up. I'm going to try and keep it a little bit lower, because then I want to follow over it with this Glam Crystals liner. So I'm just going to try and do quite a long wing, but keep it going, you know, not keeping it, it's hard to explain, not make it go too high up. Okay, so I've just done the blue liner on this side, but I didn't film it, and then I'm going to try and film me doing it this side. It's easier to start on the lid and then follow up the wing. If you start at the wing, sometimes it's harder. You're better off starting on the lid and then going out. Okay, I'm just going over that eyeliner a second time to sort of build up the colour and just make it really pigmented. Okay, I'm going to go attempt to put on some lashes. Okay, and while I wait for my lashes to dry, I'm going to take the Beauty Killer palette again. I'm going to take the shade Expensive and just run that along my lower lash line. Okay, lashes are on. These are the Vegas Nay Isla Grand Glamour lashes. But honestly, they look like, have you seen that video of Jenna Marbles where she sticks like 50 lashes to like each eye? They kind of look a bit like that. I don't know why. They're just looking really like thick. But whatever, I'm not taking them off now. We're going to go with these. I'm going to use the Collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner, which is the same as the blue one, but this is a silver colour. I'm going to put a bit of this on the inner corner. I'm just going to put on some of the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner, and this is just the shade White, I think it's called. I'm just adding a bit of mascara to my lower lashes. I put a tiny bit on, but then I know I'll be doing some stuff to the lower lash line, so I didn't want to put too much on and then not be able to access the lower lash line or the waterline. Okay, if there was ever a time for the Aurora Glow Kit, it is now. I'm going to be taking the blue shade Orion, and I haven't really used this much like at all. But you know, it's a blue highlighter, how often are you necessarily going to use it? But we're going to use it right now because it's a blue tutorial. I'm just taking this on my little Smashbox fan brush. I'm just going to add a pop of the shade Luna, which is the white, just in the very centre. I like doing this where if you've got like a sort of a darker highlight colour, adding a slightly lighter one on the centre. I just really like the way it looks. So I'm just going to sort of tap that on. Okay, and now this is where it's going to get crazy. I'm going to take this Ciate Liquid Velvet Moisturising Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Envy, which is sort of a tealy turquoise colour. And this is the only lipstick I own that's anything like this, and yeah, this is going to be a lot. It's a blue tutorial, you know? This is not wearable. Well, it is. Depends where you're going, I guess. Serving space hooker vibes. Nah, but I like legit do look like a space hooker. Okay, then because I'm crazy and I want more glitter, I'm just going to put a little bit of the eyeliner on the centre of the lip. Okay, so we are done with this look. I know it's a bit crazy, a bit wacky, a bit wild, but you know, it's something different. I wanted to do something different today. Sometimes I feel like I'm just doing like red and pinky like smoky eyes with like some kind of glitter like all the time. And I wanted to do something different, and I hope you didn't mind, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So the next colour in my rainbow series will be indigo, which is going to be exciting. Oh my god, I'm like almost finished now, this is crazy. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, bye!